Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a little problem I've come across the last couple of weeks, where when I push the clutch pedal my brake lights come on. There's two things this could be. It could be the little metal plate that holds the switch in place. It could need bending a little bit, just enough to stop it happening, or it could be the switch itself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the problem where I'm hitting the clutch pedal and the brake lights are coming on. But before I do that, if you like the videos and you appreciate them, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down here. Really appreciate it. Now let's crack on with this one. If you look there, you can see the brake light coming on as I'm pushing the clutch pedal. So there's a couple of ways, like I say, you fix this. There's a metal plate that holds the switch in place. You can bend that back and that might do it, or you need to replace the switch itself, which is a little switch like this, which will take about 2 minutes to switch to change, and hopefully that'll stop that problem happening. Move that up out of the way. Okay, you can see this little grey switch here. That's the switch I'm after. This one right here. This is the brake switch. So all you got to do to replace it is lift up on this little metal clip here, lift up and out way, pull the wiring up out somewhere so it's not in the way, and then there's a little metal clip just here below the switch. You've got to remove that. So I'm going to use, if I just remove that little light there, down like that. Okay, and then the switch should move clockwise to undo, or anti-clockwise. Let's try and, there you go, clockwise, and slide out very carefully, and that's the switch out. Now this is the 40 switch, so I'm going to get another one and put it back in. Okay, so I've got my replacement. It's come off a breaker car, and I've been told it does work, has been tested. So what you'll do is when you put them back in, it's simply the same, except you've got to pull this pin out because it resets the switch. Just be gentle with it and it will come out. There we go. Okay. And then push this metal clip back here, because I'll try and get this wiring out of the way, because it's in the way, isn't it? Nope. Okay, so with the switch out of the way, you need to put this metal bit back in place. Like so. That little metal clip there, let me show you. It's got like a little, just here, just above the point a bit here. It's like to stop the switch spinning round. So with the new switch and it being reset, it's literally the reverse. Being careful not to damage the pin. I've pulled it out. I'm going to push the brake pedal in a bit, and then put it back in, and then release the pedal. There you go, you hear it click. Put the switch back on, and that is it. That's how you replace a brake switch. It's that simple. And now all I've got to do is check that it all works fine, and we'll make sure the clutch pedal, and we'll make sure the brake light don't come on when you hit the clutch pedal now. So let's have a look, shall we? As you can see, I'm pushing the clutch pedal and there's nothing working. So that's good, that's how you want it. If I push the brake pedal, I had to check then, didn't I? Brake pedal works lovely. So good job there. That's another little problem fixed. And like I say, the reason why I've done that is because I was pushing the clutch pedal and the brake lights were coming on, and it's literally just replaced that switch, and that fixes it. Either that, or you can sometimes get away with bending the metal plate back that I showed you. If you can bend that back and it works, great, but normally it's a switch and it's a couple of minute job to fix. A little bit fiddly, you know, but easy peasy to do, really is easy. I'm sorry about if you can't hear me all that well. I have lost my voice the last couple of weeks. It's the second time in a few months I've lost it, so there may be underlying problems. So if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And I do apologise for not being online much over the last couple of weeks. But I have got some projects, as you know, coming up from the previous video that I told you about. I'm going to be smoothing out the front bumper and painting that. I'm going to be finishing off the boot lid and doing side skirts and finishing off some of the audio system I've got in here. For the kids, I've been thinking about putting like a Now TV box in the car that I can take in and out as I feel fit. So I'm not leaving it in the car, it'll just be here when the kids are in the car on long journeys. So that's something else I'm thinking about doing as well. So sorry for this quick video, but it might help some of you guys out if you have the problem with the brake lights coming on when you push the clutch pedal. So for now, that's it, another video over with, and I might have to give it another couple of weeks before I come back, because if this voice don't clear up, then it's just going to get worse. And if it gets worse and I can't talk, I can't do anything. So for now, thanks for being patient. Hopefully my voice will clear up and you'll be able to hear me better. If it does disappear, I'll have to communicate with holding up some paper with some writing on it. But it's better than what it was a week ago. So fingers crossed that it gets more better as the time goes on. But for now, it's going to be, until this is cleared up, maybe another one in a couple of weeks. We've got 2 weeks holiday for Easter, so I might just get a couple more done over the video over the time of the Easter holidays, like I said, the smoothing of the bumper and painting, and just take my time with it. You know, take a few days to record it and stuff, so I don't strain the voice. But for now, cheers. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for future content, and we'll see you soon.